we have this one. And I told him I was gonna put this on the video. I gotta crank this up for my man Quest, because he got a boo-boo. You got a boo-boo, Quest?
It's a war wound.
Okay. I guess a war in the streets. Alright, so on this one, Wes would edge, and he's going to do the back, and I'll do the front. Look at that, brand new edge. Alright, let me get hot. And we edge all our properties all the time. No if and buts about it. Alright, let me get to mowing. Sound like you grinding rocks.
No, that's some little nuts over there.
Okay. Alright. Okay. That's those little nuts making all that noise. Now guys, you hear them? Woo, they're loud as hell. And that's why you have a chute blocker, guys, because if we didn't have a chute blocker, look at these are hard as hell. You can easily pick them up and bust one of these windows. They sound like rocks, right? Yeah. Listen to that. That's crazy, right? All right. So now I've finished mowing the front, and I'm gonna hit it with the string trimmer. And Quest should be finishing up here in a few, and we will blow it and keep on moving. All right guys, this is what it looks like all the way around. Next time we hit those right there, but yep, this is what it looks like. Nice beautiful centipede lawn at 2.5 inches, and that's where we keep our centipede this time of the year. This is non-irrigated, non-fertilized. man. Oh, you got your headphones on? That thing sounded like you was grinding freaking rocks, man. I had to run over there and see what the heck it was.
Come on, man. I'm a pro fish. You ain't got to do that.
I got you. I got you. But you know how it is, man. You know how it is.
Yeah.
You know, it sounded extremely
I'm
loud.
gonna tell you, one of them drinks in there for you.
Oh, thank you. That's what my man Quest does. He takes care of me. Appreciate you, man. Without you, there's no me.
Stop.
All
I'm
right.
just saying that for the camera, bro. No,
You know-
but that's fact. He telling
All right, guys. On to the next. All right, guys. We have these two that you've seen a couple of times. We have this one, and we have this one. So, oh, there you go. I'm sorry about that. We have this one, and we have this one. So you guys seen it so many times, we're not gonna film it. We're gonna show you the before. This is a before. Bam. This is the after. I know you see all those cones. We're gonna pick those up, and those two. Yep, looking real nice. Well, guys, look at that. Look how dark that is. All right, let me haul some butt. Have you ever been in that situation where you have that storm right above your head and it's gonna come down any freaking minute from now? Look at that. is right on us, guys. Look at that. Man, and it is dark. So we are here and Quest is in the back. So all we have to do now is blow. So you guys be safe out there. Let me get this done. What it looks like. And look at the rain. It's coming. Don't know when, but it's coming. All right.